Here we are in Carrollton, building a fence. It's going to be a board-on-board cap and trim fence, and they found us by our flyers. We went by this house and dropped off a flyer. The owner called us. They're house flipping this. They're doing a house flip on this house, and they needed this fence redone. And you'll see a little video that pops up here of the old fence in the back. So the whole fence was a cyclone fence that you just saw there, and it was just totally falling down. It wasn't built correctly. They obviously didn't go deep enough with the holes, but here you can see the three rails and the kickboard, and then the retaining walls right there. As you see, it's going to be board on board cap and trim, so we'll do another video with the complete finish. And this is the GoPro I'm using. I'm learning to use it, so excuse me for I cut out some parts where I'm trying to adjust. There's some of the remodel they're doing, probably from the bathroom or something. We're actually taking those poles out. They're old poles. We're taking those three out, putting new ones in, and this is almost finished here. We need the cap and trim, but you see here the 2x6 on the bottom. I don't know what I pointed at there, but the 2x6 on the bottom there, see how nice it is. No critters will get in. Here's the beginning of the retaining walls. You see the other video, this is how it was. You see all those poles, they didn't even do anything. They didn't hold the dirt back. It just wasn't done right. As you see here, we actually have 6 foot on. They have 8 foot on centers. We have 6 foot on centers with a pole in the middle, and it's 3 feet deep. Lots of cement. You see here, we're putting up the fence here. Customer wanted a 6 foot fence, so it's 6 feet from the ground up, and plus a retaining wall there. This is the other side. We usually do the smooth, so we call the smooth side on the inside. So if you come out the back, you see the board on board, and you don't see the poles. And sometimes we'll box those poles in, not a problem. So that'll be cap and trim there. And here's the back, the other side, the right side of the house. Haven't started that yet. The poles are in the back, getting that done. So thanks for watching.